On today's episode, we tackled the front brakes and rotors. The rotors were absolutely shot. They were very rusty and actually beveled on the edges. They might have been original. The pads were also shot. While we were in there, we went ahead and cleaned up the frame a little bit, sprayed a little undercoating, and just kind of dressed it up. Take a look and let me know what you think. Bring you guys in here and show you what I'm doing. So, I'm using an old pad and C-clamp to compress those. Got the new rotor on. We cleaned this up a little bit, just wire brush. No need to paint it again. I'm not restoring this vehicle. I'm just getting it safe and roadworthy. Yikes. Same thing as the other side. It's just getting contact right there. I don't want to overly saturate it with undercoating. I just kind of like to dust through it a little bit because it's a clean frame and we don't really want to give the impression that we're trying to cover up some sort of flaky rust.